how to change name on Subway Surfers. So if you want to change name on Subway Surfers, then what you need to do is you need to just open up your Subway Surfers application at first. After opening, if you tap on the settings, which is on the top right, then you will not see the option of changing your name anywhere. You'll either get the name of the character that is playing, or you will get some random names. However, the option for changing your name manually is not available. So the only way to get your name changed is you'll have to connect Subway Surfers to either your game center or connect your Subway Surfers to Facebook and get your Facebook's name on Subway Surfers. So either connect with your Play Games or connect with your Facebook. Once you've connected, then it will change the name that you have on your Play Games and Facebook, and you'll get those names. In this way, you'll be able to change your name on Subway Surfers, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.